Good morning and peace and blessings to everyone. What you see here is an improved Meyer lemon tree. I purchased it in December. I was growing it inside. It started developing flowers shortly after that. Moved it outside when it started to heat up. Put it in the ground and it looked like it died. It was in very bad shape. It was so bad I even had stopped watering it. And it was just a matter of time when I was going to move it and discard it, or at least try to plant it somewhere else. But before I even could determine whether I wanted to try to replant it or just chalk it as a loss, I started cutting back some of those dead branches. Had a lot of dead branches and a lot of yellow leaves, and I just started trimming it up. And I just kind of forgot about it. And the other day I was over here just looking at it, and I noticed a little bit of new growth that came back. You can see where I kind of cut off where it was getting bad and yellow. But even then, you can see here, it's a little blurry, but it's blurry, but you can see new buds coming in here, and then even new flowers. It's flowering again. See? It's flowering again outside. I was thinking that maybe I planted it a little too close to this big tree, this big oak tree. But I wanted it to where if I'm sitting on the swing, I can have a nice lemon tree in my view. But as you can see, these leaves are green and vibrant, and it appears to be new buds are popping up everywhere back on it. So I'm really excited. I just side dressed it with some compost yesterday, some organic fertilizer, just to give it a nice boost. Still a small looking tree. It had this branch right here, which is a big significant branch, but it was leaning, so I just cut it. I was trying to inspire new growth, and so far so good so far. So improved Meyer lemon tree. Maybe we'll check back in a few months or so to see how it's doing. Additionally, my mulberry, ever-bearing mulberry, is loaded with mulberries. I've been picking them off here and there, me and my oldest son. Like I said, it's blurry, but you can see mulberries literally everywhere. This tree is loaded with mulberries. Then if we take a short walk over here, my in-ground garden, beautiful tomato, got stevia, eggplant, lemon thyme. I wish you could smell it right now. It smells so beautiful. Second time growing lemon thyme. I love this. Beautiful. Some oregano, some cucumbers that I had to move because they were over here and it wasn't getting a lot of sunlight, and they just were barely hanging on. So I just gave them a haircut, moved them. That's a determinate tomato back there and a pepper. So in this little bed here, while I was growing some potatoes, I planted these things. And behind these things, you see this mulberry. I'm gonna move, and I'm gonna probably take it to that side of the property where I have those things growing. Anywho, strawberries is doing okay. Waiting for all these blueberries to turn blue so we can eat them. They've been in this color, this stage, for what seems to be the longest time. But hopefully they'll turn blue soon so we can consume them. Look at that, blueberries. And some more cucumbers and such and so forth. But yeah, the main point of the video, I really just want to show you the lemon tree with a quick video message to myself. No matter how things are looking, and you're not progressing as fast as you think you should, just keep taking care of yourself. Get rid of the bad. When you see the bad, shed it to allow the new growth to take place. Keep eating the right things. And then just keep on keeping on, and lo and behold, we got new flowers. These are some potatoes that I have been growing from slips for about, I guess about 3 months or so now. I ended up buying a bag of organic red baby potatoes. We didn't eat them, they were just sitting in our pantry, and roots are starting to grow from them. So instead of throwing them away, I just planted them. I cut up the potatoes with the eyes on them. I planted them. I built somewhat of a mound with some mushroom compost and some native soil, and you know, slowly but surely they just started growing. So first time growing potatoes, seems to be a good indicator that they're ready to be harvested. The top's dying back, you can see. So here goes nothing. We're about to harvest some red potatoes. Let's see. Pull the top up. There we go. Look at that's about 6. Push them out the way. Sit up there on the hill. Nice beautiful worms, and some good dirt we got right here. All right, I'm gonna continue putting up the rest of these potatoes. Let's see. Small. Nothing really on this side. So I'm gonna keep going through this dirt, see if we can pull out any more. If not, at least got a handful of red potatoes. So, like you see, this potato is growing roots right here. I just cut this piece off and planted this. So I planted 4 of these little slips. They're very small, like this size, with roots out. And from those 4, it produced these potatoes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then a lot of little smaller ones. So ultimately, from those 4 slips, and after about 3 months, I grew enough for essentially a meal for me and my wife. Like, I can cut these and cook these like 1 or 2 servings, maybe 3 servings, 2 to 3 servings of potatoes to go to a meal. I'll cook them today as well. So 4 small slips equals about 2 to 3 servings of these red potatoes.